So we need better production cyclone intensity systems in this advanced forecasting technologies, precision-based advanced forecasting technology is needed because we see how the challenges has been evolving related to the climate change. For example, we know कि Bay of Bengal में there is higher frequency of tropical cyclones, but now we are seeing कि there has been an increase by 52% in the Arabian Sea also. Frequency of cyclones and the storms have been increasing. Accumulated cyclone energy over the northern Indian Ocean has been a challenge as far as disaster management is concerned. We saw that close to eight low pressure areas they formed in the North Indian Ocean during 2024 post monsoon season. We saw that cyclones Dana in October, Fengal in November was they hit the Indian landscape. So in this case, this showcases why we need advanced technology in terms of forecasting. So here, for example, we are talking about the synthetic aperture radar, the automated forecasting system, how we can use again the artificial intelligence, like we've been talking about quantum satellite and development related to that, where the role of ISRO is going to be central. Then NISAR satellite launch again, collaboration between NASA and ISRO. Earth observation satellite, which can help us in moving more close towards again having real-time data analysis and like overcoming the challenge related to complex cloud dynamics also.